picking the winner, so pay attention. You're looking for the wow moments. Truck number 1 in the Brooks. Make some noise for Don Green and Scarlet Bandits.
Not bad.
Scarlet Bandit in the Brooks. Who's ready for hot tamale? Tough Ram out there. Michael Brister. Big old beautiful Ram truck is ready. Here comes hot tamale.
There goes the fire. He blew it. I knew something happened. Yeah, I knew he hit the ground too hard.
Yeah. That's all right. We'll just shoot a little fixer flat in there. We're going to buckle right back up there. Don't worry about it. We got it under control back there. Man. Oh, Michael Brister. That's a brand new truck, too. That's what's funny. Brand new truck, brand new tires. Very bad year. All right, so we got one truck that's got a flat tire. And this is where it starts to get, now, guys, if you're connoisseurs of the monster truck industry, this is where things start to get really exciting back in the pits. Because right now, I can guarantee you what's being talked about is Brutal going to be able to make it? And if Brutal can't make it, can we take one of them tires off of Brutal and stick it over on hot tamale? So that's what they're thinking. But if Brutal can come back, they're not going to mess with it. They're going to figure out the tire thing on his own. So while they're fighting with all that back there, we can just drink beer and stuff like that up here. And let's watch Bounty Hunter. Here comes Bounty Hunter. Bounty Hunter. Oh, Jimmy Creed in the Bounty Hunter. Nice little slop wheelie. Get those cameras ready out there.
That's pretty neat. Backwards.
Jimmy Green and the Bounty Hunter. All right, a little stoppy there, give a little moonwalk action. Are you guys having fun out there? So Jimmy Green comes in and raises the bar up a little bit, nice and high. So Jimmy Green's now in the books. Now, you know, Hot Tamale did make a pass, got some gigantic air, cost him about a $1,200 tire. So he's in the running. We're getting ready for more two-wheel skills. First time ever. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Shark Bite. Time for a deep dive.
Pretty good.
All right.
Oh yeah.
What do you guys think of Shark Bites? You like that new truck?
Yeah, and he did a whittly
Now, I
longer
don't know if you guys
than
noticed, but he's
Charlotte.
got some flippers.
He did it
He's
longer.
got some flippers stuck in his mouth. So he's